Basically, gravitation is a force that operates due to masses of bodies placed at a distance d. In this universe, there are many bodies, and every body has mass, and there is mutual attraction between any two given bodies. And this force is nothing but the attractive force that exists between these bodies separated by distance d. And each body has a center, and this force of attraction operates from the center of mass of the body, and this force is directly proportional to the product of the masses of these two bodies, which goes on to say that the force will be more if masses of the body is higher, and similarly the same force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. That is, greater the distance, the force will be lesser. And consolidating these two into a single equation, we have this, and to remove this constant of proportionality, we will be having, once we remove this proportionality symbol, we will be having a constant of proportionality in this equation. And anywhere in physics we will be talking about these constants, and this is called the constant of universal constant of gravitational force. And experimentally it has been proved that the value of G is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11. And from this equation, if I want to extract the units, I will have d the other side, and this will become the reciprocal component. Now, units of force is Newton, distance is meter square, and this is kg square. This is the unit of the gravitational force, or the UGC. So the universal gravitational constant being the gravitational force, the law states that, the universal law of gravitation states that every body attracts every other body in this entire universe with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them, square of the distance between them. And the direction of the force is along the line joining the centers of these two masses, and this is called Newton's universal law of gravitation.